So I don't know if you could hear that, but this is the P221W from Acer, the 22-inch monitor. And yeah, sorry about this being all trippy, but this is having the whining noise. And to do that, to fix it, one of the ways I found out is you go to menu again for brightness, go down to user, menu to enter, go down to brightness, and then watch this. You go all the way up. To 100. Let's see here. Contrast, I normally will do the 0 to help it seem not as bright, but you can do whatever you want. And also you could hear that the buzzing noise went away, so that is my alternative to fix it. Other people on the forum said that there was a fan that was creating it. Other people said there was internal speakers, and the only thing I could think of is the inverter or something for the backlight. When it takes the voltage down or something like that for the lights be not so bright, it makes the buzzing, but then when it's on full, there's no buzzing. So that's all I could think of. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be glad to help you out later.